Summer is the favorite season for plenty of people. And this summer, we bring a touch of comforting chilly moment.
AirCooly is a brand new portable air cooler manufactured by an American company. What's unique about this cooler is that it can also serve as a humidifier. This air cooler is lightweight and compact, unlike your typical heavy and bulky coolers. This will allow you to carry it anywhere trouble-free.
The air cooler has 50% discount and free shipping.
For buy this AirCooly, visit the description link.